stop scrolling for a sec. If your tap water leaves spots on glass, ruins coffee, and tastes a little off, a whole house reverse osmosis system can make your entire home feel upgraded from the shower to the ice maker. Here's what matters. Today's countdown ranks 4 systems from good to best, with real-world pros, quirks, and the kind of details you only notice after living with them. Stick around to hear why the top 2 feel like a different league, and where the first 2 stumble a bit in daily use. For iSpring 4-stage tankless commercial reverse osmosis system, CRO 1000. This thing is a tankless light commercial workhorse rated up to 1,000 gallons per day with a 4-stage lineup, a big 20-inch sediment filter, 2 20-inch carbon blocks, and a high-output RO membrane tucked in a stainless housing. On paper, it's a beast. In practice, that output is fantastic for multi-tap setups, coffee bars, and busy kitchens. You get inlet and outlet pressure gauges right on the frame, which, believe it or not, saves a ton of guesswork when you're diagnosing a slowdown or a clog. The frame has wheels with locking brakes, so rolling it out to swap filters is oddly satisfying. But here's the catch. It likes pressure. A lot of it. The recommended working pressure is 80 to 130 psi, and if your home doesn't live in that neighborhood, you're probably buying a booster pump to get the full production rate. Otherwise, flow dips and waste ratio creeps up. That adds cost, and one more thing to wire and plumb, which isn't plug and play for most homeowners. And while it's tankless, that also means on-demand throughput hinges and feed pressure. If 2 showers, a fridge, and a pot-filling faucet all call for water at once, you'll feel the system's real-world limits unless everything upstream is dialed in. Daily life with it is solid if you're disciplined on maintenance. The sediment stage every 3 to 6 months, carbon stages every 6 to 12 months, and the RO membrane every 2 to 3 years is reasonable, assuming your source water isn't punishing. 3. Aquasure Signature Lite Series Complete Whole House Water plus RO Bundle. Think of this as the bundle that gets you 80% there with 50% the hassle. You get an all-in-one water softener for the whole house, sediment pre-filtration, and a 75 GPD RO drinking system for the kitchen, plus a digital control head that automates backflushing and regeneration. For small homes or condos with 1 to 3 bathrooms and up to 4 people, it's like flipping a switch on scale, soap scum, and that metallic aftertaste in tap water. Skin feels better, fixtures stay cleaner, and the kitchen RO knocks out the micro stuff, PFAS, heavy metals, you name it, for drinking and ice. Now, well, this isn't truly whole house RO, it's a whole house softener plus a dedicated RO for drinking. That's a smart, efficient design for most households. But if you came here expecting RO water at every shower and hose bib, this isn't that. Also, the 75 GPD RO is kitchen-centric. It's perfect for cooking and hydration, but heavy users might outpace it without a storage tank or a patient refill rhythm. Not a deal breaker, just set expectations. What's quietly great is the usability. The Quick Twist RO cartridges take the sting out of filter day, and Aquasure's leak safety touches like Flow Lock and Choke Block help avoid surprise puddle drama under the sink. The controller on the softener keeps efficiency on track. Less salt waste, less babysitting. It's a clean, homeowner-friendly setup. Taste? Crisp, neutral, reliable. The softener strips hardness so you notice soap actually working, and the RO finishes the job in the glass. 2. APEC RO water systems. APEC plays both sides of the field. Whole home conditioning stacks and drinking grade RO systems that are built like dependable tools. The undersink units are NSF tested and feel dialed in, from pre-filters to the membrane to the post-carbon taste polish. The brand is trusted in the enthusiast community for a reason. Solid parts, sane service intervals, and water that tastes like nothing. in the best way possible. If your goal is absolute tap-to-glass confidence, this checks the box. What stands out is consistency. The kits come complete, the documentation is clear, and maintenance is predictable. APEC bundles that combine whole house softening with drinking RO and optional remineralization deliver an easy path to house feels better, coffee tastes amazing. If you've wrestled with mixed brand Frankenstein builds, going APEC end-to-end is a relief. Performance-wise, chlorine and odors disappear, TDS drops hard, and the post-filter keeps that cold glass finish clean. Parts are easy to source, and the long-term cost of ownership is reasonable because you're not swapping exotic cartridges every few months. If you add a storage tank sized to your family's habits, you can serve a dinner party without tapping your toes at the sink. APEC's whole home angle is about conditioning and pre-treatment rather than literally pushing RO to every tap, which, frankly, is the right call for most households. It keeps wastewater in check and lets you concentrate RO where it matters most. You get the practical benefits without plumbing acrobatics. 1. Express Water RO 5DX Reverse Osmosis Filtration. Here's why this lands at number 1. It nails the fundamentals for the widest number of people instantly. The RO 5DX is a 5-stage under-sink RO system that's NSF certified, compact, and incredibly approachable. Color-coded tubing, clear manual, and parts that make sense at a glance. Installation feels doable without a weekend lost to obscure fittings, and the leak stop features add real-world peace of mind if you're new to RO. In use, it's the classic, "Whoa, this tastes different" upgrade. Sediment and carbon stages strip the junk that makes tap water smell and taste tired, the RO membrane slams TDS, and the post-carbon polish gives that clean, crisp finish your fridge filter never quite matched. Coffee pops, tea goes softer, and even ice looks clearer. If you cook, you'll notice broth and sauces tasting more honest, less muddied by minerals. Maintenance lives in the totally manageable category. Pre-filters are affordable and easy to change, the membrane lasts, and there's no strange proprietary cartridge trap. You can scale with a larger storage tank later if you want more throughput, but out of the gate, it keeps pace with daily cooking and hydration for most households. The install manual is one of the better ones. Diagrams actually map to what you see in the cabinet, and yeah, that matters when you're upside down with a headlamp on. The personality of this system is honest and friendly. It doesn't pretend to be a whole house RO, it doesn't demand industrial water pressure, and it doesn't clutter your basement. Final thought. That's all for today.